learn and discuss the hottest issues that are affecting the industry with a very knowledgeable crowd. So all the right people are here.
I like it. There's a good mix of, let's say, technical, commercial topics. We speak about technology, ESG. I think it's really complete, comprehensive in a couple of days, and it's in a beautiful location as well.
I love the opportunity to meet different players from across the supply chain in a single place.
The thing I like the most about this event has to be the networking. I have met not only friends, but my best professional connections in these events.
It was very important, I think, actually right now with all of the upcoming regulatory changes, really important for us to be informed with what's upcoming in Europe.
The energy, the people you get to meet, the people you get to talk to, the questions you get to ask and get answers quickly. It's a whole different ballgame entirely. So yeah, I'll be back next year.